Obviously, we've been talking about how February is the month of love. Well, maybe you need a little help in that department. Maybe you're feeling a little frustrated with your significant other. Well, that is what Andrew is joining us to talk a little bit about from South Bay Medical Clinic. Again, I think when there's a lot of attention these days on relationships and making those relationships better, there are some things that couples still do not like to talk about, Andrew.
Yes, that's right. ED, or erectile dysfunction, is one of the topics that men and their partners are hesitant to talk about. Well, South Bay Medical Clinic is taking all of the embarrassing aspects out of treating ED. We use the most advanced form of acoustic wave therapy. This is clinically proven to open up blood vessels in this part of the body, improve circulation, and eliminate the need for guys to take the pill. This is kind of a game changer. It's treating the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction and getting spontaneity back in the bedroom.
And I don't know what it is, but I feel like the pill has just gotten so much attention over the years that I feel like a lot of people assume that is the only way to address this issue. And you say, no, it's not.
Yeah, that's a good point. It is not the only way. It has existed for 30 years, but if you think about it, it really just treats the symptom. You still have ED the next go around. Our treatments are different, FDA registered. I think the pill will someday be a thing of the past. When we can repair damaged blood vessels and the blood flows properly, you will be amazed what can happen in the bedroom.
This has been studied quite a bit, from what I understand as well. Talk a little bit about that, because I think rightfully so, if someone's hearing about it for the first time, they want to say, okay, well, what's the record on this? What is, research saying?
Yeah, it's a great point. You can go to the science page at southbaymedicalclinic.com. If you like to read data, there are 40 clinical studies, even from Cambridge University, and they all basically conclude the same thing. There's no side effects. This is quick and easy, highly effective, and it really does regrow blood vessels. The Cambridge study, at the end of it, they said all men experienced an increase in blood flow. So this is a game changer. ED is a blood flow problem, and I think that the science is very well established at this point.
And really, if you can kind of quickly address, because I don't know if most people assume it's an age thing as well, but what I've learned from talking with you over the last several months is that this really can affect, age really isn't, an issue with this. There's all sorts of reasons why this could be happening.
Absolutely. We see men in their 20s and 30s every day in the clinic, and we see men in their 80s and 90s every day in the clinic, and everything in between. You are more normal than you think if you're struggling with erectile dysfunction. I'll just put it that way. It can happen to anybody. It does happen as we age, but it also happens for a lot of other reasons, and we certainly can help at South Bay Medical Clinic.
I know it's nervous maybe for men to maybe pick up the phone call and maybe take that first step in doing something about it, but give them some reassurance on why they should make that phone call today.
Well, we have a special offer today that will help. And I'll just say before I do that, it only takes a few treatments, guys, over a couple of weeks. They're painless. They're easy. Call us right now to put a stop to your ED. We will do the assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound with our doctor at no charge. We'll also throw in a little gift that produces instant results in the bedroom. You're going to love that. This is about a $500 value. Call us now. It's totally free.
Andrew, thank you so much for your time. As always, there is the website, the number to call again, as he mentioned today.